Isle Blue features one of the most powerful search platforms for luxury villas. Optimized for speed and efficiency to deliver the best vacation home options for your consideration. The following tutorial offers search hacks and tips on how to find the perfect property as easily as possible. The search starts with the main search box. For destinations, guests can select multiple destinations, or search by continent, region, country, or town. When selecting bedrooms, keep in mind that villas typically allow a maximum of 2 guests per bedroom. By filling out the destination, travel dates, and bedroom, broad results will be delivered. If you wish to fine-tune the search or search by budget and currency, please click on the filter to give you advanced search options. The advanced search options allow you to set your budget, currency, and your desired amenities. The most common amenities are listed for your convenience. However, if you have a specific amenity in mind, you can use the keyword field to find properties with that desired amenity. For example, a search for beach access can be returned. Results will quickly be displayed and sorted by our proprietary search algorithm that delivers the best options at the top of the search to save considerable time in researching and comparing options. Villas can earn one of 3 designation levels with Isle Blue: Top Pick, Highly Recommended, and Standard. Villa results with the Top Pick designations are the best of the best with excellent reviews, exceptional maintenance, and deliver a guest experience beyond all others. These options will be presented at the top. The highly preferred villas are exceptional villas that provide great guest experiences and it should be highly considered. They are presented after the Top Pick options. Non-designated options deserve strong consideration as well, since Isle Blue carefully curates its portfolio of properties. But the properties may not be as strong as the top 2 tiers. Sorting can also be done by price, guest rating, and alphabetical order. We also offer the option to view available options by location with our map view. Several unique features can be found on the search results page. The camera icon will open a photo gallery of the property without leaving the results page. If you find properties you love, click on the heart icon to save to favorites. If you're logged in, they'll be saved in your favorites. With our commitment to optimize search, we feature a unique flip card tool that delivers a synopsis of the property. Lastly, we feature a What's Nearby option on villa pages. If you select a property, you can find nearby available villas by entering dates and number of bedrooms. This is a great tool if you have a large group and are considering multiple properties. You can also find things to do nearby. Lastly, if you're unsure of a property, our villa specialists are standing by to provide insight and recommendations. Thank you for considering Isle Blue, the global leader in luxury villas.